In this tutorial, we're going to learn about the break control keyword in Python. This code demonstrates the use of the break keyword in a for loop. The break keyword is used to exit a loop prematurely. In this example, we have a list of numbers ranging from 1 to 10. We're using a for loop to iterate over the list. When the loop encounters the number 6, the break keyword is used to exit the loop and stop the iteration. Let's look at another example to see when we might want to use break. This code demonstrates the use of break in a while loop. Here, we're using a while loop to prompt the user for their name. If the user enters quit, the break keyword is used to exit the loop. If the user enters any other name, we print a greeting message with their name. Let's type the name John. Now let's try Sarah. Finally, we can exit the application by typing quit. And that's how you use the break control keyword in Python. It's a useful tool for exiting loops prematurely when certain conditions are met. Happy coding!